In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up and verify 2FA and Xero for your accounting. Enabling two-factor authentication or 2FA is not optional. It's required for security and it protects your financial data from unauthorized access. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then what will happen is, if this is your first time setting up 2FA, Xero will automatically prompt you to enable it. Click the Setup Multi-Factor Authentication, and what will happen is you will be forwarded here. You have two options. You can use the Xero Verify app, which eliminates the need for codes. It sends a push notification to your phone for a fast and easy way to authenticate your login. But if you don't want that, you can use your own authenticator app that provides a code that you'll need to copy and enter each time you log in. Now, if you don't have a smartphone, you can also have a different option. If you click on it, you will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do now here is go to the support section. But we're skipping that. We're going back again to these two options. Now, my authentication method is going to be the Xero Verify. Once you have downloaded the Xero Verify on your mobile device, all you have to do now is click the scan QR code. And there you have it. All we have to do now is continue the setup on the browser. And after that, you need to add a backup email. It must be different to the email you log in with. And all you have to do is copy that code, type the code, click the confirm email, and there you have it. Click the continue button because if the code is correct, your 2FA setup will be successful. Xero will now give you backup codes. These are extremely important because if you ever lose access to your phone, these backup codes will allow you to log in again. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to set up and verify 2FA in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.